everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're always healthy. Let me introduce myself. I'm Zalfa Nurhuaida from the 1A-3 RMIK class. Today I want to share a rather roller coaster journey from the time I graduate high school until I finally got to sit in this university chair. It's a story about ambition and unexpected path. Okay, a little flashback. Honestly, since the 11th grade of high school, there was only one word in my mind, IPDN. Yes, a cadet of the Institute of Domestic Governance. I was really obsessed with becoming part of that official college. Seriously, the PDU uniform was already dancing in my head. My focus on IPDN was so intense that I made a pretty extreme decision back then. After graduating from high school, I didn't take the UTBK at all, let alone the entrance exam for other state universities. Why? Because I was sure that 100% of my effort would only be for the IPDN test. But as people say, humans make plans and good designs. The first time I took the IPDN test, I didn't pass. How did I feel? Totally devastated. It felt like all doors closed right in front of my eyes. After failing, my mother suggests that I take a semi-gap year. What I mean by a semi-gap year is that I still enrolled in college, but at a private university. The goal? Yeah, to have some activity, not be stuck at home, and most importantly, to prepare myself to try for IPDN again the following year. At that private university, while studying, my main focus remained on practicing for the SKD, physical training, basically everything related to the IPDN test. My goal for the next year was set IPDN again. At this campus, I also met really nice friends who were fun and supportive of each other. I'm truly grateful to have met them. But as time went on, my older siblings also suggest another option, applying to Poltekkes Kemenkes. So this year, I applied for IPDN and also for Poltekkes. And this is where destiny began to play its role. It turned out that the Poltekkes test schedule came first before the advanced schedule for the IPDN I was aiming for. I took the Poltekkes test, and not long after the announcement, I was declared pass at Poltekkes Kemenkes Tasikmalaya. Initially, I was conflicted. Of course, my true ambition was IPDN, but on the other hand, this was an opportunity right in front of me. Plus, the schedule for registration and the start of class at Poltekkes was approaching very quickly. Finally, after a long discussion with my parents, I made a decision. I'm taking Poltekkes. Why? Because I see this as blessing and opportunity given by God. Rather than postponing again, taking another gap year, or even starting over again with the same risk, it's better to maximize the opportunity I have. Besides, being part of the Ministry of Health is also really cool, right? Dedication in the health sector. And that's how it went, guys. From someone who was desperately set on becoming an IPDN cadet, I'm now officially a student at Poltekkes Kemenkes Tasikmalaya. Even though the path twist, I believe this is the best path set for me. I learned that we can have plans, but good has a much more beautiful and often unexpected scenario. So, for those of you who are struggling to achieve your dreams, whether it's in an official college, a state university, or a private one, keep up the spirit. Focus on the effort and trust in the best timing. See you next time. Bye.